Speed up your old laptop. Just doing 3 easy settings. Let's do the first one. To disable startup apps, just click the mouse right button from taskbar and select Task Manager. Then select Startup and then disable all the apps by clicking mouse right button. Once done, close this window. Step 2. Set for best performance. Search for View Advanced System Settings. And select Advanced and then Performance Settings. Then select Custom and tick these 5 options that you can see on the screen. Then apply. Final step, set virtual memory. Again, search, view Advanced System Settings, and select Advanced. Then go to Virtual Memory and click on Change. Untick the Automatically option. Then select Custom. Then check your physical RAM and calculate as per rules. For minimum virtual RAM, 1.5 multiply your physical RAM. And for maximum virtual RAM, 3 multiply your physical RAM. Then apply. All done. Now restart your laptop and see it's very fast than before.